To keep itself moist, the skin secretes an oily substance called sebum. This stuff can penetrate into fabric seats. Over time, sebum buildup will leave ugly, smelly stains.
Here's a secret lab cookies and cream chair. You can see the start of some stains. So let's clean, deodorize, and remove fabric chair stains in 10 easy steps. You'll need a vacuum cleaner, some baking soda, and upholstery stain remover.
Step 1. Vacuum your gaming chair. Step 2. Add baking soda. Plain Arm & Hammer works well. You can also use the one with fresh smell additives. Sprinkle a heavy serving over the entire chair.
Step 3. Work the baking soda into the fabric using a microfiber cloth. This will penetrate it deep into the nooks and crannies.
Step 4. Let the baking soda sit for at least 30 minutes. That will give it time to work its chemical magic. Baking soda deodorizes by breaking down dirt particles.
Step 5. Vacuum the baking soda up from the chair. That will suck up all the broken dirt particles deep in the fabric.
Step 6. Look over the seat to find remaining stains. Step 7. Test out some fabric upholstery stain remover on a hidden part of your chair. When you find one that works, apply it to the stained areas.
Step 8. Scrub the solution deep into the fabric with a microfiber cloth. Step 9. Put your chair under direct sunlight. That will let the solution dry. At the same time, sunlight is a powerful deodorizer. While the chair dries, UV rays will obliterate any lingering bacteria.
Step 10. Roll your chair back to your workspace. It should look and smell like new until it's time for the next deep cleaning. So there you have it. 10 steps to deep clean and deodorize a fabric gaming chair.